Laser World of Photonics 2025. I'm here with one of the newcomers to this industry, one of the success stories of the Photon Hub project and Laser Zentrum Hannover, Marius Lammers. I can't believe that I'm at the booth of INLEAP FASTLIGHT. This is the company that is revolutionizing laser beam steering by making pixel-based ultra-fast beam steering. What did you bring to Laser World of Photonics?
We are showcasing our laser head here. It's a pixel-based solution which can switch the beam up to 2 MHz. So we're increasing the speed of additive manufacturing.
For many years, we've been looking for a solution that was not a simple scanning solution to do surface structuring with ultra-fast lasers. You had the secret sauce now.
Exactly. What we do is we are able to get more power to the workpiece and therefore increase the speed of our customers' machines.
How do you actually work? When a company has a nice laser process and they want to use your technology, how do they interact with you?
Yeah. We get in touch and we have an application lab set up in Hannover where you can test out our technology. And basically you take a standard laser beam source of whatever customer or dealer you like and then connect it to our system as seen here. And what it does, it uses it, utilizes it and pushes what's possible in manufacturing.
You have here a demonstrator that you brought and here you have a scanning solution. Could you tell us what we're looking at?
Yeah. We're using a model of our pixel-based approach. So we have a combination of like a display that is utilizing up to 2 kilowatts of laser power at 1 micron and shining it onto your workpiece surface.
It has been an amazing show with things from, for example, IPG on laser welding, laser cutting. What kind of demands have your customers or potential customers bringing to you?
Yeah, I would see like both ways. One side is more power, one side is more speed and more precision. And we do both. We are enabling the combination of very high power at very high speeds.
When we had this conversation in 2 years, Laser World of Photonics 2027, what's your wild dream? What is your preferred future? How does INLEAP look like then?
Yeah, our dream is to achieve another way of wavelengths with our system, to go down to even more precise pixels to achieve more pixels. So we're thinking the process when using lasers in the future on a workpiece surface will be digital, pixel-based and ultra-high speed. So thinking single-shot illumination of any part with a laser beam steering.
We are thinking about comparing your technology with the standard SLMs. When it comes to potential price, could you have some back-of-the-envelope calculation to see how usable this is in industrial manufacturing?
We say we are 3 times more expensive, but 5 times faster at least.
Congratulations, Marius, on everything you're achieving. I'm so happy to see that the investment of Laser Zentrum Hannover, of the Photon Hub project, of the whole industry is paying off by this world-leading technology. Thank you so much, Marius. Congratulations, and we survived Laser World of Photonics 2025. What an amazing show.